I know it's only the first week of No Spend January, but it's very clear for me that you can only cut expenses so much, and then you hit a wall. At that point, the only thing left for us to do is to earn more money. And if you're in your 50s, 60s, or even 70s, the idea of a side hustle can feel exhausting or unrealistic. So today, I want to talk about realistic ways people our age can earn extra money without burning out. This is not about hustle culture. It's not about grinding, working 80 hours, or chasing some online dream or multi level marketing plan. This is about creating a little extra money every single month that we can invest towards our retirement. We can feel safer and sleep better at night. What I've realized is that side hustles later in life are different. We're not trying to build empires, we're trying to build options and a safety net. One of the biggest advantages we have at this age is experience. And we've all been solving problems for decades, even if you don't see it that way. How about consulting or part time work in a field you already know? Helping small businesses with things such as administration or organization, bookkeeping or scheduling. How about coaching, mentoring, or training, formally or informally? Something that I've done in the past is reselling. I have sold so many different kinds of things from thrift stores and flea markets and garage sales, and I've sold them on eBay, Etsy, and Poshmark depending on what it was. What about a craft you're really good at that you can make things and sell them on Etsy? Can you crochet, knit, do woodwork? Are you a great cook or baker? You could set up a small food delivery service or take your baked goods to the local farmer's market once a week. What about offering services to sit with the elderly when their caregiver just needs a break or has errands to do, but their loved one can't be left alone? What about a surrogate grandma or grandpa that can sit with the kids after school until their parents get home? Do you love animals? You can offer pet sitting. This is something that I have done in the past using an app called Rover. Are you great at cleaning house? Offer that as a service. If you have handyman skills, do you know how many people need help? You can offer things such as installing a ceiling fan, replacing a toilet, simple repairs. There are many people who just need help with stuff like that. Are you great with computers? Many older people need help with just setting up a new computer or figuring out why something's not working on their computer or even hooking up a printer to their computer. Something that sounds so easy for you or me is not necessarily easy for everybody else. So you can make money from helping people. Are you great with landscaping design or plant selection? Many people could use that help. What about graphic design, like designing birthday cards, birthday invitations, wedding invitations, etc.? You could actually list samples of your work on Etsy and offer that design service. And once they pay you online, they automatically get a download that they can print it out themselves. So you actually have nothing to ship. That's a great thing. You could even offer house sitting for people who don't want to leave their home vacant while they travel. There are many ways to earn extra income. These ideas don't necessarily require learning a new skill. It's really about just monetizing your skills, what you already know. There are online options too, but I want to be honest, most of them don't make money overnight, such as remote part-time customer service, virtual assistants work, content creation like YouTube. That's more of a long-term play. That's something that I'm choosing to do. Do you love to organize? Offer that service and get paid for your skill. I think we all have skills that we can monetize. It doesn't have to be something full time, it could be seasonal or short term. Anything can be powerful at this stage of life when we just need extra money to invest for our retirement. Here are some examples of some seasonal work. What about tax season help? Holiday retail? Wrapping presents for people who are too busy? How about election work? Sometimes it's not about forever. It's about a focused burst of income. For me, the goal of extra income isn't lifestyle. It's not upgrading cars or taking fancy vacations. It's going into specific buckets. The emergency savings, retirement accounts, investments that give future flexibility. That clarity alone makes the extra work feel worth it. If you're watching this and thinking, I'm tired, I get it. This stage of life isn't about proving anything, it's about protecting your future. So pick something that you enjoy and monetize it, and then invest it for peace of mind. If this is something that you're navigating to, you're not alone. I'm documenting my real journey here, not pretending to have it all figured out. And in my next video, I'll share where I'm actually putting the extra money I earn and why the order matters. If this resonates, I'd love for you to subscribe and walk this journey with me. And this channel is about honesty. So I'm going to be honest and tell you I messed up today with my no spend January. You see, I read online that Nothing Bundt Cakes was having a buy one, get one free deal, and I couldn't resist. So before you know it, I was getting out my credit card. I spent $7.34, but it's on 2 cakes. Not that I needed them, but it's that sale price that got me, the buy one, get one. Do you fall for that too? Oh well, tomorrow's another day.